Family, the church need to wake up because we're under attack. And our joy is under attack. You see, this is what the church is doing at the moment. We're protecting the wrong camp. You know what the church is doing? We're protecting this camp and we say, this camp is good moral behavior. The devil is going to attack this. No, he's not going to attack it. Good moral behavior. You do the right thing, do the right thing, be the right thing, be the right thing. And we want to protect this. Don't sin. Meantime, we're leaving the other camp that's filled with joy, we're leaving it open. And the devil is, well, let me take this. Boom. And I make you a weak church. Good moral behavior comes from being secure in the finished work of Jesus.